How to set up Google Shopping on Shopify. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get advertising on your Shopify store without having customers or potential customers even go into your Shopify store, so they can browse all of your products right from just searching for your products and finding the advertisements through Google advertising. So let us get straight in. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a Shopify store and that you have products on your Shopify store. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into Google Merchants. And this basically is, if you just Google Merchants, you will get to this page over here. So you can now sign up for free and you can use any one of those buttons. Right, now we are in the Merchant Center. We have an account. Now we need to integrate these apps so that they can actually speak to each other. So the first thing that we've done here is set up the Google Merchant Center, and now we need to go ahead and we need to set up our Shopify store. So we go back into our Shopify homepage, and on the left hand side you will find the apps, and you'll find a button that says add apps on the left hand side. And once you're in here, you'll get a couple suggested apps, but we're going to go down. If you scroll a little bit, you'll see the find more apps in the Shopify app store, and you're going to tap on that. Now this allows us to search specifically for the apps that we want. This is the Shopify app store, and right at the top there's a search bar, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to type in Google Merchant, and you can tap enter. Now it should come up. If it doesn't come up, you can type in there Google Merchant Center. However, this is the app that you're looking for. It's got the Google icon, and the name of the app is called Google and YouTube, and it is free to install. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that, and right over here on this page you can actually learn a little bit more about the Google and YouTube app that you're going to now integrate with your Shopify store. You can now read a little bit more about the actual app, and you can see that there are a few reviews, so you can sort of have an idea of how well it works. You're going to go ahead and tap on install. The next thing you're going to do over here is at the top of the page there is an add sales channel, and this basically allows these two apps to integrate and speak to each other so that you can connect your Shopify account with your Merchant Center account. So what we're going to do now from this page, now that the app is actually in your Shopify store, it's now installed, we're going to go ahead now, and there's a drive sales and reach more customers button, and you can tap on connect Google account. You will now have to sign in with the same details that you signed in with on your Google Merchant Center. So we're going to go in here and we're going to tap on this account. Then we're going to go down to the bottom of this page and you're going to tap on allow. Right, so as you can see over here, it says set up the Google and YouTube app, and what we're going to do here, from here you can see that you need to add a couple details, but what we're going to do first is go over to the Merchant Center, and you'll be able to add in all your information this side as well. So you're going to go ahead and add in your business address over here. Then you are going to verify your phone number to confirm that it is really you. You will now also confirm the online store of your business, and then you will add details to show how you ship your products, which is very important. And then finally, the most important part is where you will actually add the products that you will want to be advertising. And then you will see over here the analytics of your integration. You can see the product performance as well as the product status over here, and on the right hand side you can see what the actual advertisement looks like. Right here in Google Merchant Center you can see that there is a bunch of more information. You can view your notifications. There is a your business tab as well. You can view all your products, your shipping and returns, all of your business info, and then there are some marketing items over here such as organic and ad campaigns, and then of course your analytics. Right at the bottom, your activity, you can see how your ads and your products are actually performing. So once you have done all that, you're going to go jump back into Shopify. You are then going to add a refund policy and then confirm that you've added contact information to your online store, and then your app will be integrated and your Shopify store will now be able to be advertised on the Google Merchant Center. I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like. If we missed anything, drop it in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you in another awesome video. Happy selling, folks. Cheerio.